Welcome to Little Star Music.
The animal school bus is rolling back through the jungle, mountains and sky. Hop on board, it's time to learn. Let's ride together, it's your turn. Let's ride together, it's your turn. You can see away the mighty roar. He's ready for school and wants to explore. He brushes his mane and takes his seat, with his backpack full of jungle treats. With his backpack full of jungle treats. Penny the penguin slides on ice. She brought some bugs that look so nice. Waddles aboard in her cozy coat. She's got a fish snack and a music note. She's got a fish snack and a music note. Milo the monkey's wings on down, wearing his backpack upside down. Gigi goes and flips, then finds a chair and gives his friends a cheerful stare. And gives his friends a cheerful stare. Oh, I laugh, Milo. Gigi the Giraffe stands tall and proud. She spots the bus from above the crowd. She ducks her head and climbs inside. She ducks her head and climbs inside. With pencils and crayons, she's ready to write. Munch, munch goes Gigi with leaves. Now the animals are here today. The animal school is not far away. The animal school is not far away. They sing, they laugh, and learn with cheer. It's the happiest time of the year. The animal school bus rolls to a stop. Let's grab our bags and do a hop with friends and fun. Let's grab our bags and do a hop with friends and fun. We've come so far. We're ready to shine like